Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. My dear student, today I shall take a math class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is fill in the blanks part 1. My dear student, today is our review class. We have already taken a class 1 short question. So my dear student, this is our revision work. Okay. So today is our lecture number 27 of annual term, and today's SW number will be 26. My dear students, let us start our class. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 short question. Okay. 8 short question. We shall solve this short question. My dear students, I repeat, you must follow the review class very carefully, because based on your some review class, some marks is appeared at your examination. Okay. Okay, my dear students, here you notice first question. Add 5 tens to 7 ounce. Okay. Add 5 tens to 7 ounce. My dear students, please notice 110 equal to what? 110 equal to 10. My dear students, 210 means what? 2 tens means 20. 3 tens means what? 3 tens means 30. Here you notice 5 tens. What do you mean by 5 tens? 5 tens means 50. And now 7 ones. My dear students, 1 ones means 1. 2 ones means 2. Just like 7 ounce means what? 7 ounce means 7. Okay. So add 5 tens to 7 ounce. That means add 5 tens means 50. That means we add 50 with 7 and we get what? Here 50, now I write 7 here and we add 7 0, it will be 7 and 5 57. Dear student, 57 is the answer of this question. That means when add 5 tens to 7 ounce, then we get 57. So I write here 57 as the answer. Okay. So next question, what comes just after 158? My dear students, before starting to solve this math, at first we want to know what is the just after number. Okay. Just after number. Just after number means next number. 1, 2, 3, 4 gap, 5, 6, 7 gap. Notice 1, 2, 3, 4, and what is the next number? That means just after number. Okay. The next number or just after number of 4 is, sorry, the just is 5. Okay. Notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 6, 7. What is the just after number of 7? That means next number of 7. Count 6, 7, 8. So the next number, that means just after number of 7 is 8. Just like this, notice what comes just after 158. My dear student, 100 remains same. Okay, 100. 158, next count 159, 160, but the question asks you to find the just after number. So I write here 159. I hope you have understood. Okay. 158's next number is 159. Our third number questions. How many days are there in a week? My dear students, at first we count. There are 7 days in a week. What are they? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Now count. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So there are 7 days in a week. Okay. So now write answer 7 days. Okay. Next question, what comes just before 71? My dear student, just after and just before, their opposite is other. Okay. Here we write the next number, but here we write the before number. Okay. Before number or previous number. Here you notice 71. So before starting to solve this, at first we notice 9 gap 11, 12, 13 gap 15. My dear student, notice, suppose this is not here, this start from this one gap 10, 12, 13 dash and 15. So notice, what is the previous number, that means before number of 11? Okay, the number will be 10. Now notice 10, 11, 12, 13, and what is the before number of 15? The number will be 14. I hope you have understood. Just like this, we shall solve question number 4. What comes just before 71? And the answer will be 70. The answer will be 70 because 70, 71, 72, 73, 74 and whatever. Now, question number 5. My dear student, 25 minus box equal to 20. That means a number which is subtracted from 20 and we get, a number which is subtracted from 25 and we get 20. So we need to find out that number which we subtracted from 25. So how can we find out that number? My dear students, if this type of math is given, then you subtract this 20 from this 25 and you get the answer. I hope you have understood. I repeat it again. 25 minus box equal to 20. That means we need to find out a number which is subtracted from 25 and we get the answer 20. So if this question is given just like this, so we subtract the answer from the first one, that means here 25. So we subtract 20 from 25 and we get what? Now 25 minus 20, if I subtract then I get 5. So 5 is the required answer. Okay, I hope you have understood. Okay, next on, how many tens are in 69? My dear students, do you know the place value of a number? We have already learned this from our times table, and write in words and write in numbers. Notice, this is 1, 2, 3, 6. 6 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 2 is in hundred place and 1 is in thousand place. If I ask you a question that how many tens are there in this number, you must give me the answer that sir 3 tens. Okay, you must give me the answer that sir it will be 3 tens. So just like this, you notice 69. 9 is in ones place and 6 is in tens place. So if I ask you a question that how many tens are in 69, the answer will be 6 tens. So write here 6 tens. Okay, okay my dear students. Now expand from 49 equal to what? Okay, so easy. Now, so first of all we write 11. Okay, expand from means we write 1 10, ones and tens. 1 10, 1 tens means 10. Okay, plus 1 ones means 1. That means if I add 1 with 10, then we get 11. Okay, just like we give you another example, 25 ones and tens. Notice 2 tens. What do you mean by 2 tens? 2 tens means 20. Okay, 5 ones. What do you mean by 5 ones? 5 ones means 5. That means if I add 20 plus 5, then we get 25. This is called expand form. So just like this, 49, this is in ones place and this is in tens place. So 4 tens. For this reasons I write here 40, and 9 ones means 9. My dear students, I know you are very smart learner. For these reasons you can already answer this question. As this is our RW class, I can take the review from you. For this reason, this is your review class. You must memorize this very carefully and do more and more times in your exercise copy at home. Okay. Question number 8. How many wheels do 6 bicycle have? My dear students, do you know bicycle? Do you have bicycle? I hope all of you have a bicycle. And you notice a bicycle has how many wheels? A bicycle has 2 wheels. All of us, we have already known this. For these reasons, a bicycle have 2 wheels. Just like this, 6 bicycle have how many wheels? We multiply this 2 with this 6 and we get the answer. We know the times table of 6 also. So now count times table 1. We need to count 6 2s are what? So 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. So 6 bicycle have how many wheels? 6 bicycle have 12 wheels. So right answer 12. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. My dear students, I hope you have understood. I repeat this question again. Add 5 tens to 7 ounce, it will be 57. What comes just after 158? Then it will be 159. How many days are there in a week? It will be 7 days. Question number 4. What comes just before 71? That means previous number, and that will be 17. Question number 5. 25 minus dash equal to 20. How can we get? We subtract 20 from this 25 and we get the answer, which is 5. Question number 6. How many tens are there in 69? We have already know the place value of this number. 9 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place. So we can say there are 6 tens in this 69 number. Okay. 70, expand from 4 tens means 40 plus sign and 9 ones means 9. So 40 plus 9 is the expand form of 49. Okay. Next on question number 8. How many wheels do 6 bicycle have? We know that 1 bicycles have 2 wheels. So 6 bicycle have how many wheels? We multiply 6 with 2 and we get the answer. We know that 6 multiply 2 means 6 ones are 6 and 6 2s are 12, and this 12 will be the answer of this question. My dear student, this is your SW also. I repeat, this is your SW also. You must write SW from 1 to 8. My dear student, please notice, some of you don't write the question, but when you do your SW, at first you pick up the question, after that you write answer. I repeat, at first you pick up the question, then you write. Okay? So you must pick up the question very carefully and do this math very carefully. So my dear students, this is our today's lecture. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. You must submit your SW regularly by your guardians or any other person. Your guardians or any other person can submit your SW in our school library in every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.